The Watermelon Tapping Kit turns your everyday watermelon into a drink-dispensing wonder keg with a few simple steps and the proper equipment. The kit consists of a 3-inch faucet shank, chrome faucet, and tap handle. First, even out the bottom of the watermelon with a chef's knife so it sits evenly on the table. Then, simply hollow out the watermelon and scoop out the insides to save for your drink. Next, mark the watermelon with a paring knife, using the shank for a guide, about 1/3 of the way up from the bottom of the melon. Then, cut a hole through to the inside of the watermelon. Screw in the shank and secure it using the included washer on the inside of the watermelon for a snug fit. Attach the faucet to the shank and tighten. Pour your prepared cocktail into your melon keg and serve. Be the talk of your next party. Buy the Watermelon Tapping Kit now and find a slew of delicious melon drink recipes at watermelontap.com.
This is me. I'm your kitchen. You cook, eat, and enjoy your family time here. I can help you cook better with my new brain, Clove. Clove lets me know what's happening in the kitchen so I can help you. Clove gives me new sensors that are affordable, wireless, and simple to install.
Welcome to Clove. Hey, what's cooking?
I'd like to boil eggs.
Do you want it hard-boiled or soft-boiled?
I'd like them hard-boiled.
Based on your input, it will take 6 minutes to boil eggs. Shall I remind you after 6 minutes?
This is the Clove Intelligent Knob. It's a smart knob that helps you cook, boil, fry, and roast. On the cooktop or in the oven. From the moment you turn on the knob, Clove starts to pay attention, asks for a few details, and sets the ideal cooking time or your preferred time. With its built-in sensor, it detects the knob's position, on or off, or simmer or high, so it can calibrate the cooking time. Clove works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home and sets your hands free for cooking. Just talk to Clove and cook like a pro. Let's take something you've cooked a million times, a pan-seared salmon, and let's see how our chef enjoys cooking it with Clove. How to cook pan-seared salmon.
Cool, let's get started. I have sent the ingredients to your phone. Please check and confirm if you have the ingredients.
Yes, I have.
Coat salmon with olive oil.
What's next?
Preheat a large heavy skillet over medium heat for 3 minutes. Place the salmon in skillet and increase heat to high and cook for 3 minutes.
What's next?
Sprinkle with capers and salt and pepper.
Done.
Turn salmon over and cook for 5 minutes or until browned.
What's next?
While the salmon is being cooked, you can slice lemon for garnishing. Transfer salmon to individual plates and garnish with lemon slices.
What's next?
Pan-seared salmon is ready. Hope you love it.
Bon appetit.
Wow! It's amazing. I clove it. What makes the clove knob special is that it learns how you cook and what you like. Do you like your eggs runny or firm? How well do you like your beef to be cooked before you turn off the stove, as opposed to when the timer goes off as per the recipe? Clove learns your spice and dietary needs. It will catch on after a few days and start to personalize the recipes for you. Installing the clove knob is really simple. Use the knob insert kit and follow the visuals and voice-guided assistance, and you'll be done in no time. If you love food, you'll clove cooking.